Hey, what's up guys, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to give you a breakdown of how you can search for stocks right on the Chaka platform. Now um the Chaka platform is more like the Binance of crypto. All right, not a this is not a leverage platform like Xness or the Binance Futures where you get to trade stocks, all right, with where you get to trade stocks with leverage. Instead, this is where is a sports platform where it offers sports markets. So spot market simply means you buy and you hold them. So and the good thing about Chaka, or the reason why they are better in terms of, like, if you want to trade stocks in terms of that sports version of stock, the reason they are better um, compared to Exness is because here you don't get charged things like swap fees, because since Exness is a leverage platform, at the end of the weekend or every day, if you hold a particular trade on any stock, you get to be charged swap fees and your commissions, all those stuff. But here, nothing like that. You're only charged, I think, 1%, depending on how long you've been using the platform. Like for myself, I'm currently charged, I think, 5% or 1% per transaction that I do on the platform. So it all depends on how long you've been using them. So that's the only fee that I know so far that you're going to be charged, all right, for using the platform or buying and selling stocks on this particular platform. Now, another good thing about this platform is that you have access to a whole lot of stocks, global stocks, local stocks like Nigerian stocks, every single company, unlike platforms like SNES or other normal, brokers, forex brokers out there, where you get to have access to major to stocks like only Tesla, GameStops, Facebook, and stuff like that. But on this particular platform, you have access to global stocks, Chinese stocks, Japanese stocks, just name them. So any stocks you are looking for, let's say for example, you are looking for a random stock, you can just type in the name over here. Let's say we are looking for BlackBerry stock. Now, once you type black over here, you see that there are a whole lot of, like, this BlackRock. If you are conversant with crypto, you already know about BlackRock. Companies. There are different types of companies. There are other BlackRock. You can also invest in them. So basically, all you do is that you just select the stocks you are looking for. So let's say, for example, we are looking for BlackBerry. All right. So once you buy the BlackBerry stock on this platform, basically you search for BlackBerry and you select it. Now it's going to bring out the stock for you. So this is the chart over here. Though I don't normally advise doing analysis using this platform, just buy and hold. If you want to do analysis, uh, charting platforms like TradingView is far better for analysis. All right, but well, if you can use it, fine. But from my experience, the best charting platform so far as a trader, a full-time trader, is actually the TradingView platform. So this is a chart of BlackBerry. When you scroll down, you get to see information about that particular stock, like the range, how the price that it has been trading for, like a year, or the day or the week and stuff like that. So, like in this case now, we see that in a 52-week range, that's like within 1 year, BlackBerry has had an all-time low of $2 per share, then $6.24 per share. So this has been the highest, and currently BlackBerry is at $4. So once you see all this information, and another important place to also pay attention to is the market cap of that particular stock. Now, market cap actually says a lot about that particular stock, because there are basically three, let me say four, but let me just say three right now though. There are basically three levels of stocks. They are the high cap, they are the mid cap, then there are small cap. Now there are penny stocks that you also get on this platform. Actually, like, you can see stocks like $1 million market cap, $2 million market cap. Those ones are highly risky but highly rewarding, because for stocks like BlackBerry that has a market cap, for example, we are seeing 2.6 billion over here, 2.6 trillion over here, sorry. You might not see BlackBerry shooting all the way to $20, all right, unless maybe we get to, let's say, the bull market of the stock market. So you might just see BlackBerry moving, like 20%, 30% per year, just like as we saw in the range over here, the trending range from this area. in 1 year. This has been the all-time low. So you hardly see BlackBerry maybe just moving from $2 to $20. But penny stocks, if you get penny stock for let's say $1, all right, you might even see penny stocks shooting all the way to $100 and stuff like that because their market cap is still very, very small. So the market cap is where you should pay attention to because it determines how risky that particular stock is. If you have a high market cap, right, then it's a little bit is safer, all right, but the growth, you not expect so much growth if you are holding that particular stock. But if you have a small market cap, then your expectation on both sides is going to be extreme, all right, both the losing part or the gaining part. So that is basically one important place to also pay attention to. So if you want to buy, for example, you want to buy BlackBerry, basically all you have to do once you come to your this interface over here, there are three orders that you can do. You can place stop orders, you can place limit orders. If you're a trader, you already understand all these things. Then you can place market orders. Now market orders might be the best because that is one that's going to be executed immediately. So in this case, let's say for example you want to buy, let's say for example you have $12 in your trading account, all right, or let's say for example you have 400 trading accounts, right? So you need to enter the amount of shares. So if since one share, all right, of BlackBerry is $12, that simply means that your $400 can get you 100 share. So you might just want to enter 100 over here, all right, then it's going to give you the estimated cost. Now, once you click buy over here, I'm not going to click buy because I'm not buying it, but once you click buy over here, it's going to take you to another interface where it's going to break down your fee. Now, like I told you, your fee is going to be determined by how long you've been using the platform, right? For me personally, I think it's just 1% or 1 point something percent. That's what I'm charged. So if I'm taking this trade, for example, I'm going to be charged, let's say like $4 thereabouts to buy this particular stock. That is how these platforms, make their money as stock brokers, so to say. So then if the value of let's say the value of BlackBerry moves from $4 to let's say $8, then the four invested is going to be $800, and I can still use the same method I'm using right now in buying it. I can also use to sell it, but there's no sell button right now because I don't have BlackBerry stock right now. So basically, that is how you search for any stock on a platform. Like I said, you can get both local stock, international stock, global, anywhere. So if you just want to filter them out, you can just click on local over here. Then it's going to show you list of local stocks, those in Naira actually, the top gainers and also the top losers. Then you can get to choose or search for the one. Then you can also search based on sector or based on country. Like I told you guys, you have global stocks. So as you can see over here, these are list of countries that you can get stocks from those particular country. One very good country to get stocks from right now is Chinese, Japanese, and the US. All right, Chinese, Japanese, actually, US is currently having some, issues, but Chinese and Japanese stocks, as I think record video actually is very, very good, and AI stocks very, very good. Auto, what's it called again? Electric vehicle stocks too is very, very good. So basically, I'm going to do more video on this platform, but yeah, this is basically how you get to search for stocks and get stocks on Chaka website. Guys, if you love this video and if you want to support us, just hit subscription button, share and drop your comments and let us know if there's any stock you want me to review for you, all right, for free. I'm going to do that, all right. Let me know in the comment section. Do have a lovely trading week ahead. Bye.